Unleash artist creativity and streamline collaboration between production, story, layout, and editorial with Flix 7.0. Enhance the security and user management possibilities of your pipeline with Flix 7.0's single sign-on support. With SSO, pipeline teams can add and remove users as needed and implement multi-factor authentication for greater security. The Photoshop extension has been rebuilt from the ground up to include improved UI customization possibilities and expand functionality. Customize your workspace with the new extension resizing, button customization, view options, and more. We're sure you'll love the improved flexibility this new look extension brings to your day-to-day workflows with Flix and Photoshop. With the new Maya extension in Flix 7.0, we hope to bridge the gap between 2D and 3D to create efficient workflows that enhance shot visualization. Send snapshots or play blasts of complex 3D environments and dynamic camera moves to Flix as panels. You can also bring Flix panels into Maya for use as reference when building and laying out 3D scenes. In Flix 7.0, we've decoupled the Flix client version from the Flix extension version, meaning an extension version can work with multiple different client versions. It also means updates to the extensions now happen independently. The new extension manager allows you to install and manage your extensions easily in one place rather than digging through multiple preference menus. You can now customize your email preferences to ensure you only receive email notifications from the specific shows or publish types that are relevant to you, ensuring that only the most important notifications make it to your inbox. With this powerful new API, you'll have everything you need to create custom integrations to interact with the Flix client in a more dynamic and flexible way. Whether you want to build new custom integrations with other third-party or in-house tools, or simply create scripts to automate production tasks, the GRC API gives you the ability to build the tools you need. Flix 7.0 improves round-tripping to Adobe Premiere, now with the same advanced publishing options available as those for Avid Media Composer. We've revamped the way XMLs are processed, so now ref panels from Premiere display in the client all Flix panels used to create them. For panels with camera moves, you can send them as pre-rendered MOVs or as a full canvas with keyframes so editorial can make further adjustments to the camera move. You can now export your Flix dialog, including audio in the XML published from Flix, and choose the color of new clips appearing in Premiere. The new metadata system in Flix 7.0 opens up greater automation and pipeline integration possibilities. With this system, you can define, assign, edit, and retrieve metadata for users, shows, episodes, sequences, sequence revisions, panels, and panel revisions. In addition to this and many other possible uses, when combined with the webhook system, it can be used to drive external asset and production tracking tools such as F-Track and ShotGrid. Flix 7.0 makes collaboration even smoother by providing one central place for team members to store and find all source files. Use the source file library to browse and locate all source files with their associated panels in one easily accessible place, regardless of their origin. Maintain pipeline security and optimization with Flix 7.0's full support for VFX Reference Platform 2023. These updates include qualification for Rocky 9 as a fully supported operating system for the Flix server. Plus, with Python 3.10 support, you can continue to use the Flix SDK and create custom integration for Flix 7.0 with the latest version of Python. Databases can be updated with MySQL 8 qualification for optimized security. You can run Flix natively on macOS 14, ensuring you can use Flix on your operating system of choice and still receive all relevant security and feature updates. Upgrade with confidence to the latest versions of your favorite artistry tools with Adobe Photoshop and Premiere 2023 and 24 qualification in Flix 7.0. Flix 7.0 brings your team and your stories together with centralized story assets, powerful pipeline customization, and streamlining cross-team collaboration. For more information on Flix 7, visit learn.foundry.com/Flix.